structures, institutions, ministries, departments, local governments, etc., parliaments, to the men, and also to the women. So what we have to start with, and please tell me if it's the same in Nepal, decades, 4 decades or more decades, standing up in Parliament, you've been to Parliament this morning, on the floor of the National Assembly, on the floor of the Senate, and using extremely insulting and humiliating words like, oh, you women, you shouldn't be speaking, you are on charity. These reserved seats are charity. The word in Urdu is khairat. So alms and charity. Now, that is, what does that have to do with gender resource budgeting, gender equality, gender justice? We have to struggle with the very basic concept of what is GRP. So the question, in that problem that I've highlighted for Pakistan, the question is, did you face a lot of resistance and obstacles from men in leadership positions, whether political leadership or bureaucratic leadership or Ministry of Finance leadership? What is this quota system? We prefer to call it affirmative action. This is affirmative action that is required to achieve gender equality and gender justice. And the way to do it is through gender resource budgeting, through OVI, objectively verifiable indicators, measurable, disaggregated. The whole world has gone, since Australia 1984 started it, and South Africa is the most successful example we have of GRP. In fact, Pakistan should learn lessons from South Africa. This is 2025, and I would call upon, we've got 2 media people here. I would like to call upon, I don't know where the second one has gone, but I think our media persons need to spend time on television and radio and print media explaining the basic foundation of what GRP means. Integration and mainstreaming, not as an Anna Dabba, a women's box alone. So that's a question to you. Thank you.